Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. There is a different cause of slow downloading of your uTorrent or BitTorrent. Sometime when we are downloading some file, as you can see, my download speed is slow. So first of all, I will stop it here, and you can see there is some file that are finished or downloaded and they are seeding, which will cause your active download speed slow. So because they are also using some of your bandwidth, as you can see, upload speed from your internet connection. So first of all, if your download file is completed, then you have to go to bandwidth allocation, and also you have to allow or allocate a low bandwidth, or also you have to set upload up to 5 kb or 0 kbps. Then this seeding will be stopped, and your active download speed will be increased. Or there is a simple way that you have to stop it, or you have to remove it. As you can see, there is a seeding and they will take some of bandwidth from my active download. So first of all, you have to stop this seeding or remove from your download, and then you have to, as I am stopping here, and if this is download is completed, then you have to remove it from your download list, because sometime they will use your internet connection, and your active download speed will be increased. So I have removed it, and now I am start it again, and you can see that this download will be increased. So this is a simple way that you have to stop your seeding or remove your seeding download from uTorrent. Then your active download speed will be increased. So first of all, you have to check if there is any torrent file that is seeding or completed. Then first of all, you have to stop or remove from your download list, and then you have to use for downloading a new file, or also resume your downloading. Your download speed will be increased. Thanks for watching.